Ford Focus 2019. I get 18 hours for this job. 2 doors are too bent to repair and would take a long time. I started with 2 bumpers, then front fender, 2 doors, side skirts. I took 2 second-hand doors. They are much cheaper than my repair. Rear quarter I already fixed and made perfect gaps. Parts from painting are ready for assembling. Front fender and front bumper. Rear bumper, it's just tested color and attached. Quarter panel is painted. Both doors. I order a new emblem for Ford. Of course, new fluid for windshield 36. Very important thing on new parts or parts which are you fixing from inside use protection. I recommend Terrason WX for all. Now transferring the parts from the old door to the new one. Also inside all cables, sensors, handle, locking mechanisms. Everything must be fitted perfectly, otherwise there will be problems when you closing the window. Of course, plug all the connectors into their places. Repeat the same principle with the back door. Old doors in the trash. Now the last step with doors. The car must be clean from your work. That's a big difference between amateur work and professional work. The car is finished, error fault codes deleted, tested and ready for the owner. Owner is more than happy. Thanks for watching.